Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I thank you guys for being here with me today, watching yet another video that I want to bring to you guys. I thank each and every one of you near or far, those of you who have been loyal over the years of watching my videos, those of you who are subscribed, those of you who will soon be subscribed, those of you who just happened on my video or my YouTube channel for the first time. I thank you for doing so. I thank you, and I hope that this video and many more videos that I have to come, and the videos I have already available, I hope that they open your eyes to what's real about Forex trading and how to really make a profit. Alright? Very simple and easy concepts that I deliver to the public, that I deliver to the world. I've come across a lot of people who are just really looking for ways to simplify their trading methods and practices, and I know that I'm delivering on that because a lot of people are emailing me telling me of their successes, and I'm really thankful to be in this position. That being said, most of you who have been following me, you know that my pair is the GBPNZD, and I want to show you guys what I'm in on, and I want to show you the type of profit that can be realized when you have discipline in the market, when you have confidence in the market, and when you just get in at great points in the market. All right, I'm going to show you guys. So let's go to our setup, and as you notice here, for those of you that know me, I always run a couple trades at a time. All right, and if you notice, we've been talking about this pair in this situation for a while. The market had reached an all-time low at the 177, 178 area. That was hit only once before. It reached that level after the Brexit news release. It gapped down following the Brexit news release. It consolidated after the Brexit news release. Then it tumbled down to this all-time low. Since then, the market has risen or rose to the same level of consolidation and or the gap in the market, which is nothing more than a barrier or a major resistance level. And as you see, it bounced off that level until tumbling down, and then it went up, hitting the consolidation area, went the bottom of the consolidation area yet again, and then it followed the market. It just tumbled. All right, now something I want to point out is that on its way up, the market pulled back but still went up. This day the market went up, went to the consolidated zone, it pulled back, but then it still went up. The next day did the same thing, went up, pulled to the same consolidation zone, and it pulled back, but it still went up. Then it gapped up, went to the zone, the resistance zone, the actual gap in the market, before showing signs of pulling back and the market tumbling down. You had a few days of bullish movement, but then the market continually pulled down. Now I want you guys to know that I am in on this move. It's going well. All right, I want you guys to know that, just like my previous video where I showed you, the market goes up, you take profit. The market goes down, you take profit. The market goes up, you take profit. When it goes down, you take profit. It goes up, you take profit. It goes down, you take profit. When it goes up, you take profit. When it goes down, you take profit. When it goes up, you take profit. When it goes down, you can take profit. All right, now I got in here. The reason why I got in here is that the market, I know that when you have a large candle, all right, the market will, at the 50% mark of that huge candle, it will act as a resistance or support. In this case, it acted as a support level. All right, the market went up, the market came down, acted as support right at the midway mark, and then it just stayed there. And then on this day, the market showed that it would possibly go up, but guess what happened? The market pulled back and closed out bearish. I got in, and I'm in the profit now. So I want to show you guys exactly how I assess the market and analyze the market for what it is to realize profit. This is how I do it. Very simple, very patient. I don't rush it. I don't rush what's going on. I just let the market tell me what it's actually doing, and I respond. Real simple. All right. Now let me just show you guys the type of profit that can be realized when you're actually trading with this style. All right. As you see, my swap column, it's great. It's running up every single day, and as you see, the profit is just shy of $8,500. Fantastic. Fantastic trading that you too can do. So I want you guys to understand exactly how I do this. I want you guys to understand this is a very simple process. It doesn't take a whole lot, but you have to have patience. You have to develop the discipline. You have to understand the system. The system is very simple and easy. Hence the name So Darn Easy Forex. All right. Now I want to train you. I want to train you, and I want to get you up to snuff on the reality, what's real about the Forex market. And I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of flip flam about, okay, you need to know this, you need to know that, just to cloud your judgment. I'm not going to spoon feed you. I'm not going to give you information that you do not need. If anything, I'm going to tell you, you don't need this, you don't need that. You don't need those things in order to make a profit. I'm telling you. Any of my students, my many students can tell you, certain things they ask about, you don't need to know that. It's a waste of knowledge. People online, they put out all this content so that you as a new trader can sit there and try to learn all this stuff, never make a profit because you don't know how to use it. The great thing about me is that I've did away with a lot of that noise. And I'm only teaching the stuff that will allow you to remain profitable. You don't need to be overwhelmed with tons of content that's just going to do nothing more than leave you clueless when it's time to trade on the market. All right. I want you guys to know that if you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that you too can find profit in the market. You have to get with someone or get with a group of people who are dedicated and sincere about working with you, not someone who's going to just, if you're being trained, just take your money and run. That's not what you want. You need to know what it takes to be a profitable trader. Not you need to know from A to Z and you'll be a profitable trader. That's not true. You need to know. I run into people a lot. They don't understand volume. They think that they're trading at a penny a pip. Are you kidding me? That's not true. They think that they're trading at $1, and they're not trading at $1. They're trading a lot higher than $1. So I want you guys to know there's a lot of people who are misleading and misguiding people out here, and that you have to, if you feel that it's a good place for you, then that's what you do. One great thing about this business of training, because it is a business. People they make it a business. I make it my business to train people. I don't make it my business to spoon feed you. I'm not going to hold your hand, but at the same time, I'm not going to spoon feed you either. I'm going to make sure that you're learning. I'm going to give you all the tools that's needed. I'm going to help you use me to develop a profitable plan for success. I'm not going to hold your hand and take you there. But what I will do, I'm going to guide you into profit. But you have to be open and receptive to the knowledge so that you can retain it. All right? And I want you to understand that while this is a business, all right, some people have to understand that, there are things that me as a trainer I cannot do, and I will not do. I will not hold your hand. I will not put my life. I will not put myself in a way of being. I'm not gonna make myself liable or put myself in jeopardy of being, just put into some trick bag of having lawsuits against me and all that. I'm not gonna do that. I understand the game. I understand how to trade. So with that, understand that if you're interested in training, make sure you come, with an open mind and come ready and prepared to learn. All right. and nothing else, you know. So I would just want to show you guys what the opportunities are in Forex, and that you too can remain and be profitable. All right. That being said, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys understand what this message was about, and I want you guys to be inspired. Okay, be inspired to be profitable. Do not risk all of your money to turn a profit. All right, I'm going to show you how to take a little bit of money and grow it without risking all of your money. All right, until next time, you guys have a fantastic day. Think positive, be positive, and everything around you will just fall right into place. All right, so I want you guys to everything around you will properly align, not fall into place. Everything around you will properly align itself. All right, so I want you guys to understand that. Until next time, you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.